Hello everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the how much time it will actually take in the Redmi Note 8 Pro to install the MIUI 12 update. So recently, I got this update in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and very soon I'll be trying to do the battery and performance and plenty of other the tests on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So meanwhile, do check the links in description for MIUI 12 update, which you're already using in plenty of other smartphones at the moment. So try to check the MIUI 12 update in case if you want to know more details about the MIUI 12 mobile phone. So let's get started with this stopwatch. So I got the stopwatch ready here, and let me try to click the reboot and start the stopwatch at the same time. So let's see how much time it actually takes in the Redmi Note 8 Pro to completely set up this MIUI 12 update, because this MIUI 12 update is gonna be a little bit kind of biggest update for the MI right now, because everything got changed, the new animations, new look and feel. Definitely you will feel completely like brand new operating system. Definitely friends, there's a one thing which I have noticed. So definitely I wish same kind of update should be also given for the Realme UI phones as well. So right now you can see here the update is also going very fast. So it's as you can see that how much time it has been completed. So meanwhile, try to check the links in description for this kind of good looking wallpapers. So both phones are from Mi Note 10 Lite and Mi 10 Lite. Both have their pretty much good advantages. The Mi Note 10 Lite has a curved display, you can see, so which can be the mid-range premium mobile phone, so which I have already did plenty of mobile phone reviews on this one, Mi Note 10 Lite. And whereas the Mi 10 Lite is 5G mid-range mobile phone which has a Snapdragon 765G processor, same processor which is found in the OnePlus Nord. So try to watch those videos as well in case if you're interested, and definitely subscribe to my channel for more details. And right now friends, if you are using the Redmi Note 8 Pro, still if you did not get the update, don't worry, you'll get it very soon. But meanwhile you can stay up to date with my channel. So I'll be trying to use this Redmi Note 8 Pro for the next couple of days as my regular phone, and I'll try to test the charging, gaming test, and general normal usage of battery. Everything I'll try to test on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. As you can see right now, it's rebooting the phone. The Redmi Note 8 Pro is I think the MIUI 12 must be installed. So the time you can see here friends are 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So I can see the MIUI 12 theme is going on right now here. You can see that clearly. So finally friends, most of the phones right now from the Mi and Redmi are getting the MIUI 12 update. Definitely I'll try to post more and more videos as soon as I get the update in any of the smartphones. I'll try to compare even with the Realme OS as well, the MIUI 12 versus the Realme UI. So which has advantage and which has plenty of features in the OS. As you can see right now, it took about 3 minutes and 25 seconds. So this is a Poco X2 phone which I am using with the MIUI 12 update, as you can see right now. And finally it's finished. It took about 3 minutes and 35 seconds. As you can see friends, finally 3 minutes and 35 seconds to install the MIUI 12 update in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. You can clearly see Redmi Note 8 Pro. So right now it's installed successfully, and definitely I'll try to post the video and the battery training and performance and plenty of other reviews on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So as you can see friends, finally the update has been installed successfully in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and this is the time how much it took to install. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.